Hi guys, and welcome back to another WakeNbake Recipes. In this video we are going to bake a pull-apart cinnamon bread without using a mixer. This sweet and buttery bread is great to share with your friends and family. And if you like, you can add some apples or raisins, whatever you like. Let's start with the ingredients. All-purpose flour, milk, dark brown sugar, white sugar, salt, dry yeast, cinnamon, 1 egg and 2 pieces of butter. Add your warm milk, melted butter, egg, sugar and yeast to a bowl and mix well. When everything is well mixed, you can add your flour and salt. Now take a spatula and mix slowly until a dough has formed. You don't have to knead your dough, just make sure everything is well mixed. Cover your dough and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour you can uncover your dough and deflate it. Now dust some flour and flatten your dough the way I do. Take your soft butter and spread it onto the dough. Now it's time to prepare our sugar and cinnamon mixture. Spread it out on top of the butter. Now we can divide the dough. Make sure you cut your dough the right size for your baking tin. Place the dough into a greased baking tin and use some baking paper inside. Glaze them with some extra melted butter. Now cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. Use some egg wash to glaze your bread before baking. Thank you for watching. Are you going to give this recipe a try? Let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.